Alright, today's the 17th, I think. Yeah, 17th. It's about 3:30. You see that a little bit better? Okay. Back home. Yesterday I was on the road. Posted that video, and now it's again cloudy. Earlier we had these weird clouds. The small sun. If you get a chance, look at the videos I posted. I had posted 2 today about the sun. And it's very tiny. It looks like maybe a mirror broke or something on their simulator, if they have one. I don't know. It doesn't look normal today. And I thought it was because of the chemicals in front of it, or the clouds, whatever you guys call it. But there's some video there where there's nothing in front of it. So it's very tiny today. It looked like the full moon, but smaller. Anyways, this is our numbers here. 45 lux. Wow, that's low. 45. And that's facing the southwest. 37 if I face west, 25 if I face south and southwest. The highest we can get there is about 70. So let's do the hallway. Hallway is 32 lux, 3.7 on the camera. And then let's take a look outside. And you'll see the cloud blanket, just like yesterday or the day before. Yeah, yesterday was like this. The day before was like this. There it all is. I'm not going to do the skylight reading today because these trees are in my way. I got to figure out a different angle to take these pictures. But outside we're getting about 5,000 lux. You need 7,200 for daylight lamp. So watch this. Here's outside right now. Let's get it without the trees in the way. Right about there. So we got 5,000 lux, let's see. Now watch this. Let's turn on the light. In here we're getting 50 lux, so it's way brighter outside, obviously, but it's not the level that your brain needs to be at for you to reset your clock. And then everybody wearing sunglasses and stuff, it's probably even lower. But here, once I turn this light on, that's my day lamp. Let's take a look. 5,000 lux right there. Right about there. Hang on. There it is. That's the outside light right now. 4,700, 4,900, 5,000. I'm a foot away from the lamp. Within arm's reach. See that? So maybe 2 feet. So 2 feet away from here is about what it is outside on a gray day. So we were hitting up close. Hang on. All right. This phone sucks.